Alright homeowners, let's settle this once and for all: gas or electric dryer. What's the better pick for your home? If you've ever stood in the appliance aisle, overwhelmed by all the options, trust me, you're not alone. So today, I'm breaking it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which dryer fits your home, your lifestyle, and your wallet. Let's start with gas dryers. These are your powerhouses. They use natural gas or propane to generate heat, paired with an electric fan to circulate it. Translation: clothes dry nearly 50% faster than with electric. Faster drying means more time for literally anything else. Plus, they're energy efficient, so those savings add up over time. But here's the catch. Gas dryers come with higher upfront costs and professional installation. Don't have a gas line? That's another expense you'll need to factor in. And let's not forget, annual maintenance checks are a must for safety. Now let's talk electric dryers. These are the go-to choice for most homeowners. Why? They're budget-friendly up front and super simple to install. Just plug them into a 240-volt outlet. No gas line? No problem. And there's a huge variety of models, even ventless ones, which are perfect for apartments or condos. But there's a trade-off. Electric dryers are slower and they're not as energy efficient. Over time, those electricity bills can sneak up on you, especially if you're running multiple loads a week. So how do you decide? Let's simplify it. If you already have a gas line, a gas dryer is a smarter investment long-term. Lower energy bills and faster drying times? That's a win-win. But if you're on a budget or don't have gas hookups, an electric dryer makes more sense. It's practical, easy to install, and gets the job done. Now, no matter which type you choose, there are a few features you'll want to look for. Moisture sensors to prevent over-drying and save energy, stainless steel drums to reduce static, and even reversible doors for flexible installation. Bonus points if you can snag a stackable model for smaller spaces. One quick note on vented versus ventless dryers. Vented models are faster and more cost-effective, but they require a vent to the outside. Ventless models recycle air inside, making them easier to install but slower to dry. Here's the bottom line. Choose a gas dryer if you want speed, energy savings, and you've got a gas hookup ready to go. Choose an electric dryer if you're looking for an affordable, hassle-free option that works anywhere. Still on the fence? No worries. Head over to the trade table and browse gas and electric dryers tailored to your needs. Trust me, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and let's make laundry day a breeze. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more home tips. See you next time.